Discuss your view on the outlook of the mining industry in 2013, especially with regards to the platinum sector.
I think first and foremost, a lot will depend in 2013 on whether we can have a restoration of law and order within the mining sector, particularly with what's been happening in the industry in the last few months in actual fact. And in particular also it will depend on the outcome of the Mangaung conference in Bloemfontein in December this year. I think that will seriously impact on investor sentiment with respect to funding of new projects, which of course we are highly dependent upon as a contracting company. As far as the platinum industry is concerned, platinum is a beautiful metal, but I think its outlook for the short term remains fairly flat. But I think the long-term fundamentals of platinum in general still remain fairly positive. Having said that, I think it's important that we as a company recognize that we need to, in actual fact, secure work outside of the platinum industry at this current point in time, and our endeavors at this point in time are actually focused on doing exactly that, focusing on gold and focusing on base metals, and in particular outside of South Africa. I think our first primary focus area is that of improvement in our safety performance. We come from a history of not very good safety performance. We've seen some pleasing improvements in our safety performance over the last few years, and in particular as we move forward, in order to win quality project work into the future, we need to ensure that our safety performance is up there with the best of the companies in the mining industry. Secondly, we need to grow our order book. And for that reason, it's important that we get the right quality of order book, which has the right exposure to the right commodities in the right geographies of Africa as a whole. And I think the third important point is that we are focusing on developing the capability of our people and our resources to be able to deliver against those projects that we're entering into our order book. We believe that our mine development division, that which is really focused on decline development, has significant opportunities facing itself in the near future, particularly up in Africa and with the commodities that we are exposing ourselves to. And further to that, the fact that we can actually harness the skills and resources of our RUC Cementation Perth-based company. It bodes well for us in being competitive in the African market in respect to our Chinese resource company competitors and our Australian contractor competitors.